It's very famous. I don't know if that came to your country yet.
Yeah, yes, also.
Magnificent Century. So in that Magnificent Century serial film, about 4 years in Turkey, Sultan Süleyman's century. So during his reign, he enlarged the borders to Austria border. Imagine Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire was the most powerful in Europe, in the Middle East, and in Asia. The countries around Turkey today, Jordan, Lebanon, Israel, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Mecca, Medina, Oman, Yemen, Somali. Imagine North Africa like Tunisia, Libya, North Africa, Algeria, and in the Europe, all Balkan countries today like Croatia, Macedonia, Greece, Bulgaria, Hungary, Romania, and the border of the Austria, not into the Austria, but in the border of Austria. Some of the Spain were under the control of Ottoman Empire. When you go to these countries, you can still see the remains, mosques. There are Huns, like special trading centers, Huns from this 15th, 16th, 17th centuries. But the Greece or some of those countries ruined all these historical heritages, not to see anything from the Ottoman Empire. So, but some of those mosques or other structures are still intact. They can be visited today even. So the north, like Odessa, Crimea, like Ukraine, half of Ukraine, and the Near East, like Iran, we're under the border. That's Sultan Süleyman. Sultan Süleyman conquered so many countries, but not the island of the Rhodes. The island of the Rhodes is only 1.5 hours far from here by boat, and that island was the headquarters of the Templar Knights. What is Vatican? Vatican is called state. You provide safe roads to Jerusalem for the pilgrims, for Christian pilgrims. They built castles. One is Marmaris Castle today in southwest of Turkey again. One is in Rhodes Island, that was the main base of them. One is in Malta, Italy, Cyprus Island. So this retaining is controlled under the power of Vatican. This Templar Knights from Spain, from Germany, from Italy, from England, they have their own set. These are special soldiers, special forces of state, special forces of the old Christian base. So the main island is the Rhodes Island. So the Sultan Süleyman ordered to be conquered this island, and he ordered his soldiers to build a castle here in Marmaris because it was the closest mainland here. So within a year, this castle was built here for the Rhodes campaign. They prepared the army. Sultan Süleyman came. He was very angry. The size of the castle was not satisfying him. He got angry and he told his soldiers to mimar us. Mimar us, this word came out from his mouth. Mimar us means hang the architect. Hang the architect. Mimar us. And mimar us, after that the architect is hanged because of the size of it. The island of Rhodes was conquered, but everybody describing this area with the story, hang the architect, mimar us. You know the place where the architect was hanged? That was order of the Sultan Süleyman, hang the architect, mimar us. So, a woman, a female statue here, another female statue, nobody knows who that belongs to. Look, this is the head. This marble body is prepared one of the sculpture. So, imagine this belongs to one of the famous women, or maybe the wife of the bureaucrats. So later on, the power is changing. Somebody else is coming to this position. This statue, the head part, the head is taken. They put another head of it with the details of your face. New ruler. So this is the wife of new ruler, and the head is changing, but the body is the same. You know? So the head can always change. In Roman statues, always like this, right? For example, this one. It's not chopped. Yeah, they can place some heads on top, and we're gonna put our masks while we are inside. Take pictures after that. This is the ancient city Knidos I mentioned. We are here in Marmaris.
Marmaris, yes.
Yeah. If we drive 2 hours, come to this village. All around here, these are very small with mountainside here. Very difficult. One village, maybe 10 houses, 15 houses here. So this Knidos is the corner of Turkey. This came out from the Knidos. If you go to British Museum, in the entrance of the British Museum in London, Knidos line. There was a very big line in the Knidos city over there. So this was taken to Britain. English people excavated in 1850s. They took it to England. That